Let's be honest. Most of us rely on our paychecks to pay for everyday necessities like rent, groceries, and bills, as well as splurges like our Amazon habits. But what happens if you get sick or injured and can't work? That's where disability insurance comes in. This coverage pays out a percentage of your salary if you cannot work due to a disability. And unfortunately, that's more common than you may think. 1 in 4 20-year-olds today will experience a disability before they retire. The average long-term disability claim lasts 3 years. So you probably wouldn't be out of work forever, but unless you have a lot of savings, you will need money during that time. Here's how disability insurance works. When you apply for a policy, you'll need to choose an elimination period. This is the amount of time you'll wait before you're eligible to start receiving benefits. And the clock starts ticking on the day you become sick or injured. Once the elimination period has passed, the benefit period begins. And this is when you'll start receiving monthly payments from your insurer. When the benefit period is up, you'll stop receiving disability checks. There are 2 types of policies on offer. Short-term disability insurance typically replaces 60 to 80% of your paycheck for a period of 3 months to a year. As you might have guessed, it's designed to cover short-term conditions such as broken bones, glandular fever, Crohn's disease, anxiety, and even pregnancy. Long-term disability insurance usually replaces 40 to 60% of your paycheck for a period of 1, 2, or 10 years. It also covers a longer list of illnesses and injuries. These include serious ones such as arthritis, heart disease, chronic back pain, cancer, and prolonged mental illnesses like PTSD. Disability insurance is the truest form of income protection. So, it might make sense to buy a policy if you're the breadwinner, you're a working parent who covers part of your family's living expenses, you're prone to injuries because of your job, like construction workers are, you're paying off debt, or you're self-employed. Sold on the idea of a replacement paycheck? There are a few ways to get disability insurance. The first way is through your work. Open enrollment is coming up in November, and many employers offer disability insurance as part of their workplace benefits package. The premiums are subsidized, making this the cheapest option. The second is through a professional association. Some clubs and groups across the US partner up with disability insurance companies to offer policies at discounted rates. Finally, your third option is to buy a policy on your own. By going directly to an insurer, you'll get to choose your own elimination and benefit periods. Just be sure to shop around to get the best possible rate. You work hard, and disability insurance can protect your paycheck if anything happens to you. Ready to learn more? Compare your options at finder.com.